Indian Parliament's lower house, Lok Sabha, concluded the debate commemorating 75 years of Indian Constitution on Saturday, in which various leaders of all political parties, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, participated. Summing up the debate, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a fervent appeal to adopt zero tolerance towards corruption and keep intact the respect for the Constitution. Rajya Sabha, the upper house of India's parliament, will resume this debate on Monday.
Highlighting important amendments brought by his government to keep the unity of India intact, Prime Minister said his government is committed to implement Uniform Civil Code as it reflects the vision of the founding fathers of the Indian Constitution.
समान नागरिक संहिता, यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड, ये विषय भी संविधान सभा के ध्यान बाहर नहीं था और उसी संविधान की भावना को ध्यान में रखते हुए, संविधान निर्माताओं की भावनाओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम पूरी ताकत से लगे हुए हैं सेक्युलर सिविल कोड के।
Prime Minister highlighted the steps taken by NDA government to bring unity in the country through various schemes and initiatives. He said Article 370 was abrogated in Jammu and Kashmir and One Nation, One Tax has been implemented in the country.
आर्टिकल 370 देश की एकता में रुकावट बना पड़ा था, दीवार बना पड़ा था। देश की एकता हमारी प्राथमिकता थी, जो कि हमारी संविधान की भावना थी, और इसलिए धारा 370 को हमने जमीन पर उतार दिया।
On the country's rapid economic expansion, the Prime Minister said India is committed to become a developed nation and it will become a third largest economy in coming years. Lauding the glorious journey of the Indian Constitution during the last 75 years, Prime Minister stressed on the contribution of women in framing the Constitution.
मौलिक चिंतन के आधार पर उन्होंने संविधान सभा की डिबेट को समृद्ध किया था और वे सभी बहनें अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड थी, अलग अलग क्षेत्र की थी और संविधान में उन्होंने जो जो सुझाव दिए, उन सुझावों का संविधान के निर्माण पर बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव रहा था।
Taking a dig at the Congress party, Prime Minister said it left no stone unturned in attacking the spirit of Indian Constitution during one family rule for 55 years. He said when the Constitution was completing its 25 years, an emergency was imposed by the Congress and the constitutional rights were denied.
जब देश संविधान के 25 वर्ष पूरे कर रहा था, उसी समय हमारे देश में संविधान को नोच लिया गया, इमरजेंसी आपातकाल लाया गया। संवैधानिक व्यवस्थाओं को समाप्त कर दिया गया, देश को जेल खाना बना दिया गया, नागरिकों के अधिकारों को लूट लिया गया।
Prime Minister concluded his speech with 11 resolutions focusing on fundamental duties, zero tolerance on corruption, respect for Constitution and women-led development. Vishal Barrister's report for DD India.